Hey folks, I want to talk about this little Harbor Freight 1x30 belt sander. I've had this dude for about a year, I guess, and it's great, super awesome. I've probably gone through 5 or 6 belts on it, but I have a small forge that I run here, and I do a lot of metal on it, so it gets plenty of use. But this thing is about 60 bucks. I said it's the old Harbor Freight special. And I have had everything from Mastodon ivory to 3/4 inch square stock to slate, all kind of steels, all kinds of stuff on this thing. And you'll eventually bust the belt once it starts getting real thin. See this little spot here, especially if you're doing sharp stuff on it. Can't get it to zoom in on it. Especially if you're doing sharp stuff with a point, you'll bust her right there. But you get plenty of use out of it. And I want to say the belts come in like 3 packs, I think. Hang on. Okay. There's a couple of different options. They come in 5 packs. Pack of 5. And I think they're only they're less than 10 bucks. So I've got some 80s and 2 packs of 40s, which I've never even used the 40s, but super aggressive. And these are at Harbor Freight also. And I hear you can get some 1x30 inch belts off of some knife making websites that are outrageous, super awesome. I haven't tried any of those yet because I haven't used all of the belt set that I have. But anywho, it's oh shoot, sorry. It's got the side here comes off to replace belt. That's it. And then the tension is right here. To replace the belts on this thing. Whoops. Figures the time I'm shooting video, it's going to be a pain in the booty. Just took 2 hands. I put lots of 90-degree spines on my knives. I say lots. I've went back and put 90-degree spines on all my knives that have needed them. But to use this thing to put 90-degree spines on your knife, you have to take this off. And it's just a Phillips head. But you take that off, and that allows you to get right up against the belt and get a good straight 90 on there. But this is adjustable. I've never really adjusted it. If I do steel strikers sometimes, and I just butt them up against there to clean the edge up after I've quenched them. It will I get a lot of this. I cut a lot of my material with bolt cutters. It's not, you know, it's not a super awesome one, but for $60 it's super awesome. I've got my money out of this thing several times. Butcher, come here, dude, man. Sorry, my dog is doing something. I don't know what he's doing. But Central Machinery, Harbor Freight, was $60. I don't know if they've gone up or not, but well worth the money in my opinion. Like I said, I've done a lot with this guy, and it works really well for what it is. Yeah, I just wanted to share. I've done a post a while back on the Instagram and said I was going to do an update on it, but they've deleted all that since then. But Warrior brand belts. Anywho, I got a bunch of stuff to catch up on YouTube, so feel free to like and subscribe, and be looking for some other stuff coming down the line. I got so much stuff, it's ridiculous. Also, if you're on Instagram, you can go and check out some of my past posts and anything you guys would like to see. Shoot me a comment down below. Like I said, I got a bunch of stuff I have to catch up on, but also the sky's the limit, you know, with stuff that I've done in the past. All right, thanks guys. Later.